This is the famous bridge. And sabi nila Capoblucha, but ang alam ko this is the Chapel Bridge right there, yung pinaka oldest bridge here in Switzerland. Napakaganda niya, my god, it's gorgeous, guys. Just go parang every day if you just get off from work or you're off also, you can just chillax here, like go into one of those like chair and then you know what, get some snack and just like you know what, watch the view over here. My god, it's so beautiful. Ang ganda. Yeah, Lucerne is beautiful, guys. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The Chapel Bridge or ayun na, yan ang ganda niya. At syempre maging part din nito, di ba? Oh, ayan. Ayan. Pupunta tayo sa Old Town at itutur ko kayo. Of course. Yan. Ang ganda.